First off, this is a melon that started off in the ground. It was in an area that wasn't getting a lot of sunlight. My kids, you know, running around playing, being children, they trampled on it a few times, stomped on it a few times, and I just got some dirt from the yard, you know, mixed in some old eggshells, coffee grounds, such and so forth, nothing crazy. Some leaves in there, threw it in this bucket. And so right now, this one's in the infirmary. I'm trying to bring it back to life. He's not doing so bad, and he looks better than he did a couple of days ago anyway. But this is a muskmelon. But over here beside it, in this bag of this old bag, which was filled with black cow's manure, after I got done spreading this compost around in the garden, I didn't discard the bag. I kept the bag, and I left a little compost in the bag. I got some garden soil from my yard, and then I had also some compost, like leaf compost, that's been accumulating for about, you know, a few months. And inside of that, I placed it in this bag. And I started all these from seed, by the way. All these melons were started from seed. And as I'm just clearing out some of these weeds that are growing inside the bag, no big deal. But yeah, check this out. This one melon in this one bag already giving me this beautiful muskmelon. Look at that. My fist, I got a big hand. Look at that. Now check this out, how this thing grows. You go one vine from it. You can see it's connecting there. On that one vine, look. Baby, that's two. More flowers, but see, that's two. Now come down along the stem and look. There's another vine. Now, I mean, see if there's any on this vine. Nah, but you see more flowers, but no more melons, but that's two, okay? Now keep going down this main vine right here. See, main vine. It's coming down, it's coming down. Keep going down. On this main one, are there any more melons? I don't see any. So far two, one big one and one very small, but okay. Main vine, sprint off to this side, look. There go three. And then it goes down and it gives me another vine right here. And on that one, that's four. So 4 muskmelons in this one, in this bag. And then I just got them over here in the grass. I'm just trying to imitate nature as best I can. Just let it grow in the grass, it'll be all right. This area back here floods sometimes. It's kind of going down a slope. And I was a little worried about that, but not really. So these bananas, peach tree, but see those bananas? So yeah, like I said, this is my tropical area back here. Call this the tropics. All right, anyway. So that's 4 in this one. And that's the largest one so far. Over here, I think this probably like a, I don't know how many gallons. It might be 2 or 3 gallons containers. You know, you get the fruit trees in these containers. I just kept it, and I'm just experimenting to see. I mean, you can see how much soil is in this bag, and this is doing okay. And this one is probably like 2 or 3 gallons. If I had to guess, I'm eyeballing. I don't know for sure. But see, these vines aren't that long. Look, that's it. No melons on these yet. Same one, except this one has a vine going backwards. No melons yet. I'm not even rushing it. I'm just showing you, for scientific purposes, video logging for my own purposes. And then over here, let's see. How many melons? No melons yet. So out of these 1, 2, 3, 4 muskmelons, 5 muskmelons, one of them is put on fruit. And the one that has put on fruit has 4. Okay. Anyway, muskmelons. Look at my sunflower about to open up finally. We don't need a lot of space to grow. Cause look what this sunflower is growing in. And that's fine with me. All right. Over here, this is the orange, tender, sweet watermelon. Notice his leaves are a lot different. On these vines, I have, look at that, 1 baby melon, 2 baby melon, let's see. On that one, here we go. 3 baby melons. And I have grown this variety before in a like a 20-gallon pot, 20-gallon grow bag. Ended up keeping like 2 of the melons on it, and it grew well. It was just me cut it too early, and it wasn't quite yet ripe. But that's okay. You know, we live in and we learn. Another banana tree. Just some quick little snapshot. This is my tropics. See, wait for these bananas to come in. So stevia, and it's doing good. Stevia growing in the banana pot. I reuse all pots, you know. So I have things in the ground as well. Like this big elephant ear growing under this banana tree. Probably wasn't the best idea now that I look at it, because it's getting shaded, but you know, they can grow in the shade. But anyway, got this tomato in the ground. So I'm doing a mixture this year with both ground and pots, right? Cucumber. At this point, the cucumbers are coming in so heavy. We got cucumbers stocked in the fridge. Can't eat all of them. We doing so much to eat all these cucumbers, and I ain't complaining. It's a blessing. It's a blessing. Got an abundance of cucumbers, but and this is all from 4 cucumber plants. In abundance. Picking off like 2 or 3 cucumbers a day. Baby green bell peppers. I've been picking off a few of them. Waiting on my okra to do something. But you know. Blackberries. And you know, more peppers. Eggplants. So yeah, the garden is coming along, but the point of this video is really just to show you, you know, I got grape tomatoes too. I'm really enjoying these grape tomatoes. I like how they look. Grape tomatoes are beautiful. In this 4x4 bed, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tomatoes, 4 cucumbers, 5 okra, and 2 peppers. So it can be done. You just gotta trellis everything. Before I trellis this, it looked like a mess. Cucumbers and them tendrils were choking the life, squeezing the life out of everything. They made in fact made my peppers get long and leggy. But it's okay, because these long and leggy things, they still producing. So I'm not tripping about it. Anywho, thank you for tuning in to my channel. It's your first time here, you can comment, I'll comment back. You subscribe to me, I'll subscribe back to you. No big deal. Not in this to get YouTube famous or anything. I'm really just making a video log of my gardening journey throughout the years, and just living and learning. It's probably my 4th year with my own garden, and every year it's been better and better. And I've gardened now in those 4 years. Lived in 3 different states, gardened in 3 different states, similar zones. You know, from Florida to South Carolina to where I currently am now. And it's all been a blessing. So I'll keep you up to date with how these watermelons are growing. And until then, Georgia Roots 24. Peace.